Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Or is it an egg salad sandwich? We shall never know. Okay, you know how sometimes when you do artwork and it doesn't turn out the way you want it to be? Well, I sort of had that. You see, if you can't tell by now, or throughout this video, probably, this is supposed to be a rose for my aunt. As a thank you gift for a present I received. And it does not look like a rose with that shade of green. Don't you agree? I mean, my shading was good, but I made a bad color choice, so I have to pay the consequences. Luckily, my aunt, whatever, owns a farm. So my mom told me to improvise and say it was like a cabbage or lettuce head. So I eventually painted some carrots, some little peas to go with it, so we can just say, this was planned. I'm totally professional. So hopefully my aunt will notice. Or maybe she's the opposite of my mom. Maybe she's gonna say, this looks more like a rose, not a cabbage or a lettuce. Well, way to go on life, me. So, putting all of my disappointment aside, I just used acrylic paints to paint this and a brush, and I decided to tape my picture to my book. I think I used the wrong tape. It's not a good idea to use this frog tape on this delicate piece of artwork. So yeah, that's basically all I have to say. So does it look like a cabbage to you, or a rose, or who knows, it could look like an egg salad sandwich. Have you ever failed in art? If you feel comfortable, let me know. Might make me feel better. Thank you for watching.